So ever since I built Dominique, I've always been encouraged to try different things on it. See if it's going to boost speed, improve the overall ride, or even upgrading the carb to improve the emissions on it. But one of the first things that I wanted to put on Dominique, never really got a chance to, was one of those boost bottles. And it seems like Bikeberry wanted us to try one out also. So I already hear you out there complaining, but at least I'm bringing new ideas to the relationship. So recently I've been using the word collaboration a lot, and I want to thank Bikeberry for collaborating on this project with me. Because when I'm provided parts and don't have to pay for them out of pocket, I can get jobs done a lot faster, it seems. So I want to thank everybody who's collaborated with me in the past year or so. But as far as what Bikeberry has sent us, we have the boost bottle itself, special intake manifold, and this is where the hose is going to connect to. They even provided us with the zip ties to zip tie it to the bike. But there is one thing missing, and that will be your gasket. But we have an extra one, so now all we got to do is install it on the bike. So some of you guys already know that I'm an older chap. I can not only remember a time when dinosaurs were cool, but also when they used to chase us when we were walking home from school. I mean, I lost a lot of friends growing up. But along with that, I remember the 1980s real well. And even back then, I remember being a big fan of Yamaha. Has anybody ever heard of the Yamaha Energy Induction System? Well, that's basically all this is. Yamaha used to throw boost bottles on their racing bikes in the 80s for years, until it became cliche, and with everything else, technology advanced past the boost bottle. But I'm going to let you know right now, if it was good enough for Yamaha, then I think it's good enough for the little stuff I got going on over here. Also, there's an integral science on what the boost bottle will do for you, but I'm sure you came here to see if this sucker works. So now, the ride. So this is the very first time we're going to fire up the boost bottle. Let's go ahead and do it. Ooh. Already we got a different grunt, guys. Little popping action. Let's go. I'm going to tell you right now, through the mid-range, it's doing what it needs to do. It's a lot smoother. Yeah, I'm liking this, y'all. I think this is another good idea. Seems to be a lot more fuel efficient Doesn't seem to be taking as much gas for some reason. Yo, we're gonna just see how fast this thing goes. Man, those are a lot of RPMs. So just like I always thought, you can always trust in Yamaha. Because as we all know, they perfected the motorcycle in 2015. But as far as this little bad boy right here, this is a definite keeper. And to tell you the truth on this one, I encourage people to try it out. For the combination of the bottle and the intake for $50, I think it's a heck of a buy and highly recommend it. So again, I'd like to thank Bikeberry for this collaboration. And who knows, we might even see a couple in the future. So until next time, this is your boy Kachi's Kid. I want everybody to have a great day. And you know I'll see you in the next one. Peace, ma.